Holo aims to be the Airbnb of apps, as the Holo ecosystem pays users through crypto incentives to participate in the peer-to-peer market of applications based on cloud hosting. But how does Holo work? To find out, keep on watching this video. Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Animations, the channel where we explain to our viewers the different types of cryptocurrencies and everything new investors should know. In today's video, we will talk about what Holo is. So be sure to be attentive because you clearly don't want to miss out on an amazing opportunity to win a giveaway of a $25 crypto coin of your choice. Also, if you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads. Now, with the intro out of the way, let's get into our topic for today. Holo, or HOT, is an open-source framework for creating distributed peer-to-peer applications. It operates as a cloud hosting market for dApps. The network is unique in that it incorporates an agent-centric approach to the market. Anyone can leverage inexpensive cloud hosting services and create robust dApps using Holochain. As such, the developers behind the concept seek to bring the benefits of distributed apps to anyone with a web browser. In this way, Holo provides a combination of services that both traditional and blockchain applications lack. Holo was founded by Arthur Brock and Eric Harris Braun in 2017, with headquarters in Gibraltar. Holo was created to enable app hosting within a peer-to-peer ecosystem, described as a post-blockchain platform powered by the DHT hashing function. Holo is a peer-to-peer platform for distributed applications based on a cloud storage infrastructure. Holo provides a P2P market of apps where network participants can become hosts for decentralized applications spread across the network by using their computational power and getting paid in return. Holo was built from the ground up to tackle multiple market issues. For one, it eliminates centralization. The unique technical structure of the network ensures a balance is maintained between freedom and accountability for users. This concept of mutual sovereignty enables the network to remain secure while also providing a plethora of services to users. Holo aims to create a new version of the internet to create a scalable environment where information that is stored, shared, and distributed is not seen or controlled by intermediaries or central authorities. With the use of a unique hashing function that lowers the cost of operations and running the system, Holo aims to revolutionize the way we use the internet by working in favor of people instead of corporations. Instead of using traditional blockchain technology to verify transactions and generate new blocks while securing the network, the Holo and Holochain ecosystem uses a particular hashing function. Holo is based on the Holo distributed hash table. The DHT is agent-centric, which means that it employs a single node that can individually verify transactions. Once verified by an individual node, the data is distributed to other nodes in the system, which double-check the verification info for transparency and legitimacy. The capacity of the network to scale is reflected in the rising number of nodes and computational power, which often poses a problem in traditional protocols. However, DHT uses sharding to distribute data and scale the network traffic to make it optimal and run smoothly for hosted apps. Since Holo doesn't use traditional blockchain technology but instead uses hashing, the network doesn't require staking or mining to verify transactions, create new blocks, and secure the network. Holo is unique in its architecture as the Holochain platform doesn't run on traditional blockchain technology but instead uses a hashing algorithm as a post-blockchain network. With classic distributed ledger technology, Holo enables users to host and use various apps on the network known as hApps. That is why Holo doesn't require staking or mining to operate and run the nodes. Holo achieves uniqueness through the use of the DHT hashing function and its architecture, which forms a P2P market where users can get paid for hosting applications developed by other users and deployed to the Holochain app. Holo gains intrinsic value from its technical capacity, technology, use case, and level of adoption. When it comes to market value, Holo is also affected by many specific factors, including the total supply of HOT tokens. The finite supply acts as an anti-inflation mechanism, meaning HOT tokens may provide a good store of value in the long term. Holo value is affected by upgrades, updates, developments, and other news and events. Holo's added value is its utility and technical capacity in creating a P2P market for hosting apps. Holo underwent an initial community offering in April 2018. Eventually, 177.6 billion HOT were minted, with 133.2 billion, about 75% allocated for public sale, and another $44.4 billion, about 25%, kept for the company and its team. The company planned that HOT tokens would be exchanged at a 1-to-1 ratio for Holofuel tokens. Holofuel is a Holochain-based currency, which Holochain application providers will mainly use to pay Holo hosts for their services. Holo began to surge in mid-March 2021 before the patent announcement. Since the beginning of February, the HOT USD price skyrocketed by more than 4,000%, rising from $0.0007 to $0.03 in 2 months. Then, an upward movement returned in October, but it proved to be short-lived, and some of those gains were lost before the price rose again, modestly, to $0.01248 by November 26th. In the past 24 hours, the crypto has decreased by 4.81% in its current value. If we compare the current market cap of the HOT with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is also down. Holo is facing a hard time getting on board with other crypto coins. The HOT is down almost 22.95% in the last 7 days. The coin is still showing risking framing segments for the past few days, and the coin might have solid fundamentals, but we don't think it would be a profitable asset in the short term. Within the last 1 month, the price of HOT decreased by 9.539%, eliminating a whopping average sum of $0.0009142 from its current value. This sudden down means that the coin is in a dip right now, meaning that it can be a good buy opportunity for quick investment. The 90 days price change is around 15.98%, and the price circulated from a minimum average price of $0.010 to a maximum average price of $0.011 in the past 90 days. In the last 4 months, Holo has shown a growing trend. Thus, we think that similar market parts were quite popular at that period. According to the latest data collected, the trading volume of Holo has increased from 4 months. The trading volume constitutes a vital role in its price. The coin is up by 28.02%, with the maximum average price being $0.005 and the minimum average price being around $0.005 in the past 4 months. Some popular analytical sources, including Coinpedia, Trading Beasts, Digital Coin, and Wallet Investor, believed Holo could be a buy within 1 year and beyond. However, the provided price targets were rather conservative, ranging from 1 cent to 7 cents. You should always conduct your own technical and fundamental analysis before deciding to include HOT or any other cryptocurrency in your investment portfolio. There are plenty of places you could store your HOT, and the type of wallet you choose will likely depend on what you want to use it for and how much you need to store. Hardware wallets or cold wallets like Ledger or Trezor provide the most secure option for storing cryptocurrencies with offline storage and backup. Software wallets offer another option and are free and easy to use. They are available to download as smartphone or desktop apps and can be custodial or non-custodial. With custodial wallets, the service provider manages and backs up the private keys on your behalf. Non-custodial wallets use secure elements on your device to store the private keys. While convenient, they are seen as less secure than hardware wallets and may be better suited to smaller amounts of HOT or more novice users. Online wallets or web wallets are also free and easy to use, and accessible from multiple devices using a web browser. They are, however, considered hot wallets and can be less secure than hardware or software alternatives. As you are likely trusting the platform to manage your HOT, you should select a reputable service with a track record in security and custody. Holo tokens stand among the most promising cryptocurrencies since their inception in 2018. However, it is crucial to consult with an industry professional in advance. Holo is a unique product in the market of cryptocurrencies as it runs on a specific hashtag algorithm without using DLT to facilitate the conditions for a P2P market. It provides cloud storage for hosting apps, which is how the value of Holo is defined, through its unique technical approach and capacity to scale. Hosting apps with Holo is more cost-efficient and effective, which is why Holo could become one of the leading platforms of its time in the long run. Well guys, that's all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on the Holo altcoin? Let us know in the comment section down below. If you guys like this video, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any new future videos, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video so that you're notified the next time we upload a video on the latest cryptocurrency news. Thanks for watching. We hope you have a great day today, and as always, we'll see you in the next video.